All right, guys. Hello, everyone. You're all welcome to my YouTube channel at LightPips, and it's a good thing to have you guys. Okay, so today we are going to be discussing about how to register with a broker so that you can easily set up your account. All right, how to register with a broker so that you can easily set up your trading account, most especially for those that wants to have multiple accounts with different brokers. All right, so in this video I'm going to be showing you the process of opening account, setting up your account, getting your account verified, then funding your account, and all everything related to your account, even up to the point where you are going to be downloading the trading platform. So the first thing, basically, you need to go to your browser, and by the time you get to your browser, there are so many brokers you have. All right, so you have so many brokers across the globe that are actually operating for you to be able to trade the global market. But then you have so many of them, many of them. But then if you already have a particular broker in mind and you don't know how to register on their platform, just drop the name of the broker and just drop a message for me to help you to do the video on how to register on their platform. Okay, so one of the broker we are going to be starting with, let's start with KVB. All right, so KVB is one of the brokers that are giving you trading transactions, making trading transactions easier for you. But then this is an India uh, broker, basically, and you can see their details here. You can check their headquarters and where they are from. But then there is another site. I will quickly show you. What is the site? WikiFX. So what is WikiFX? Now basically that is a site where you can easily verify any broker you want to do business with. So you just need to be careful. Okay, there are thousands of brokers out there, but then you can just easily come to WikiFX and just look for the broker you want to open an account with, or the broker you want to set up your account with. All right, so now I've tapped on search broker for, so I want to look for KVB. Let's see if they are a registered broker that you can be doing business with. Okay, all right, so let's find our broker, KVB. So do we have them? Do we have, okay, you can see KVB here. It says regulated. So there are so many KVB, right? You see KVB Global, KVB Vietnam, Kunlun. All right, so let's select the first option, which I believe will be the broker I want to use for today. All right, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video also, and I'm going to drop a link that you can also use to register. All right, so now you can see this is the company, this is the broker. Okay, let's leave this out for now. All right, so the score is 7.31. So you need to check so many things regarding the broker. You need to check so many things. Okay, this is their link, which takes you straight up to their website. If I do something like this, it takes me straight to their website. Okay, and this is their website here. And from what you can see, this is a regulated broker. And you can also check other things. What are the basic information? Company profile, how long have they been operating, registered, licensed, then what they offer, trading platform. Okay, for MT4 they have full license, but then MT5 you can see is white labeled, but then perfect. Okay, so but from here, just take your time, go through everything you need to go through. There's account info, related personnel, trading, verified site, relationship map, all those things about the broker. You will get it there. All right, so let's come straight to their website. This is KVB website, and then you can see the website is KVB Plus. All right, they also have an app. You can see install KVB Plus app here. Okay, but this one let's just do later since I'm using the system. All right, so just scroll. Okay, a swap free program. You can check everything the broker has to offer basically. But then when it comes to registration, you just see sign up to the top right corner of your screen there. You click on sign up. When you click on sign up, it takes you straight to another site where you'll be imputing your email. All right, and guess what? Immediately you put your email, the first thing you need to do is to ensure that your email is active. All right, so you put your email, then you see verification code. Just click on get verification code. Immediately you click on get verification code, a code will be sent to you. All right, so the code is what you are going to use to verify your email. Once you get the code, you go back to where you are doing the registration, put the registration code, acknowledge the 2 times conditions, then you click on next. So immediately you click on next, this is where the site will take you through. It will say open a trading account, open your trading account. Then you need to upload your documents, which are your IDs. You know, if you have your international passport or your national identification, any of those identification means that is issued by the government, you can easily get them used, and automatically you get a demo account that is opened. Both MT5 and MT4 account is open for you. So you'll be the one to choose your preferred platform that you want to use, whether you want to use MT4 or you want to use MT5. So you choose your preferred platform. But then just note this, once you register, there is a default demo account that is opened for you. But if you still want to open another account, you can easily get that done. Now under promotions here, you can see welcome to KVB. All right, so you see they sent you a welcome email where you can start investing. Are you ready to go live to open a real account? Blah 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 blah. All right, so jump. Okay, so for this, if you are ready and you have your what's it called, if you have your IDs and you want to get that done, just easily input everything that needs to be inputted. Then you go to the identity verification where you are going to upload your means of identification, and that is all. Well, I've already done that for me, so I've already registered, and I think I don't need to go through all that process again. But then if you are new, you need to easily get that done. Go and get yourself verified. All right, so let me just quickly go to my own page. So this is me here. All right, so this is my dashboard. This is KVB platform. Okay, you see this is my account is ready. I can decide to make payment so that I can start trading right now, right away. But then I need to download the trading platform. Now there are so many offers you get with KVB, cashback bonus, which means for every deposit you do within a stipulated time period, you get 20% cashback. There's trading challenge, 100% deposit bonus, right? Copy trading also is available. All right, so all this we are going to see how we'll take our time to go through, how you can easily, get registered and you start up trading. All right, now the next thing I want to do is actually to download the trading platform. And to download the trading platform, I've done my this thing already. So let me just click on this, open KVB. Then I go to their website. Now for trading platform, if you register with a broker, you need to download the trading platform from their website. All right, if you are using your phone, it's much easier. All you need to do is to go to your app store or your Play Store. If you are using Android, you go to Play Store. If you are using iPhone, you go to App Store. Then you just download the trading platform. You have different trading platform. There is the broker's trading platform, which is developed by the broker itself. There is a global trading platform, which is developed by a company called MetaQuote. Okay, MetaQuote. MetaQuote developed MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Okay, so they developed MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So these companies have a trading platform that every broker have license to use. All right, so still going back to KVB, since I've already signed up, I don't need to go to sign in. Just scroll. You will see where you will see the trading platform. All right, so trading, anything that has to do with trading. So this is MetaTrader 5. All right, my gateway to global markets, MetaTrader 5, deposit, withdrawal, blah 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 blah. Okay, I've already opened an account, so I don't need to open again. So now, if you are using a MacBook, then you can see the link to download your own MetaTrader 5. But then I'm using a Windows system, so I just click on Windows. But then if you want to download for phone, it will take you to App Store or Google Play Store. All right, so any preferred method you want to use. So let me click on Windows and let's see. Okay, so it's downloading. You can see KVB Prime Limited 5 setup, and the download is done. All I just need to do is to open it. Okay. All right, don't forget, I'm just showing you how to set up an account with a broker. All right, so if you have any broker in mind, don't forget, drop the broker's name, then just let me know what you want me to do the video on, then I will help you to do that. Okay, so let's continue. So this is MetaTrader 5 that I've downloaded. I've downloaded the MetaTrader 5. Okay, so I'm just waiting for the what's it called, the setup. All right, so once the setup is there, all you need to do is just to run the setup. You don't need, just click on next, then it will start installing for you. Once you click on next, it will install for you. All right, it will install for you. Okay. All right, so it's installing. Now if your network is very fast, it doesn't actually take time to install. All right, so there are so many things you can still walk yourself through. So if you still want to trade without downloading the platform, you can still get to trade on the broker site. All right, so this is the web platform. All right, this is KVB web platform. You can see XAU USD. If you want to trade on the broker's platform, all right, so you can still get to trade. You can analyze the chart, and you get to do what you want to do basically. Okay, so you have the ticket. So your time frame is here: M15, M5, M30. All right, so this is it here. So you have, wow, this is nice, but you've missed this move. But then obviously you see that price is trying to fall, right? Okay. Then XAU USD. Then if you want to add other instruments that you want to check, for me, I think I would use USD JPY. That has been one favorite instrument for me. So you see USD JPY. A news came out earlier today, and you see that it started pulling all the way up right here. All right, so that's it. If you want to use the broker platform to trade, you can easily use it to trade. Just take your time to check through, analyze the market. Then there are other things that you can just walk yourself through. Okay, about the company. All right, so this is the company. Talking about the company, read about the company. Welcome to KVB. Regulations, safety of client funds. Client funds, are they safe? All right, so you can easily just get to check out everything about the company. Okay, so from what we've been doing, obviously it seems like this is a safe platform where you can use to trade. All right, but then remember, when you are registering with a broker, ensure to what's it called? Okay, sorry for this. When you are registering with a broker, ensure to confirm if your broker is registered or if your broker is licensed to be doing business in that particular region. Alright, so in my next video, I'm going to be teaching you how to set up your MetaTrader 5, but then this is on one broadcast platform. But then in my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your MetaTrader 5 so that you can start trading. Alright, so let me have a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. Thank you.